Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can unpublish your page on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, go to right top corner to the menu, and right here you're going to see your page, click on it, then go to right top corner to settings, and here you're going to see general, and you want to scroll down below, and then remove page, no, page visibility, and you're gonna see here unpublish. So you click unpublish and you got it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.